Welcome to this quick energy reset in a busy day. Let's begin today's meditation by putting yourself in a posture that feels relaxed but present. Long breath in, breathe out. Close your eyes to your outer world and come into presence with yourself in the room. Feel your body touching the ground, the chair or the bed, and notice the points of contact with what's underneath you. Long breath in, long breath out. Notice the weight of your body. Long breath in, long breath out. Take a deep breath, one that makes your belly rise and fall. Breathing in, long and deep. Breathing out. Drop your shoulders down and back. Long breath in and hold. Long breath out. Soften your hands and fingers. Long breath in and hold. Long breath out. Open your mouth slightly and make a ah sound with your exhale. Consciously relax your mouth. Consciously relax your jaw. Long breath in and hold. Long breath out. Consciously relax your face. Long breath in, hold. Long breath out. Soften around your eyes. Soften your closed eyes. Long breath in and hold. Long breath out. Now sensing your entire body, drop into it, relax, totally present. Long breath in and hold. Long breath out and pause before breathing in. Take another long breath in and hold. Long breath out and pause before breathing in again. One more time, long breath in and hold. Long breath out and pause before returning to your natural breathing rhythm. Well done. Take your time to bring your awareness back to your outer world. If you would like to continue to meditate, there is a link on your screen to a meditation called Connect with Joy. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.